Most people believe their LLC or corporation shields them from the fallout of disastrous random events. Unfortunately, they are wrong. Every enterprise faces chaotic situations and unanticipated scenarios. Tax levies, supply chain issues, the death of a founder, government regulation. One of our clients experienced an existential event, a government recall of their product.
We represent a company that distribute products throughout the United States as well as Canada. They work with all of the large retail stores. The FDA called and said they were recalling all the produce that this company distributes. 3 years earlier, we met with the client for the first time, found that they hadn't kept a structure in place that would accomplish their objectives. We identified those objectives. We agreed that those were the objectives that needed to be accomplished. Then we compared the objectives to the structure that they had and found that their structure didn't accomplish all of those objectives. In fact, their structure didn't accomplish any of those objectives.
How you survive these incidents depends on your business structure. Did your advisors build the structure correctly? Can it withstand intense scrutiny? Can it survive the chaotic assaults of lawsuits, market forces, or the IRS?
And so we went to work redesigning, rebuilding their structure. We made certain that we had the business organized in such a way that if there were an operational failure, that the capital assets of that business would not be impaired, let alone the investment and personal assets of that client.
Our asset protection system ensures you can survive these assaults.
And so when this catastrophe hit, instead of panicking, we were able to deal with it because we knew the operating entity was up to date and in good standing. We had the minutes, we had the resolutions, we had everything that we needed to demonstrate that that operating entity was going to do what it was intended to do, and that is to take those kinds of shocks from the vagaries of business. The client knew that the capital assets, the land, the building, the equipment, the intellectual property was held in a way that would be protected from those risks. Their spouses knew that their investment assets and their personal assets were protected, and so they were able to ride through the storm safely.
We are specialists in protecting your assets, reducing your taxes, and ensuring your succession plan. Our services are not for everyone, but if you want to maximize the chance of reaching your objectives while minimizing external risks, our firm may be for you. Call us today for a review of your business structure to make sure it properly safeguards your achievements and helps you reach your objectives. At Bowen Law, we are driven by a single ethos.
We relentlessly help you keep what is yours.